All right, last set. These are the Blue Express elevators at the Tampa International Airport in Tampa, Florida. Oh, crap. Okay, I was not expecting to run into this. I have no clue what this actually is. It might be a 3300, 3100. I am not sure. These things smell new. These things are so new. No clue when these were installed. There's your certificate down there. Take these back up to 3. Dude, these things are dope. Was not expecting to run into this. Pretty sure these are 3100s, but I'm not sure. Just correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. They're 3100 or 3300, I'm pretty sure. All right, we'll take these for one more round trip, just because these are rare. Okay, well, they're not really rare, but like, this is my first time catching one of these like this. So, pretty happy with my find. This airport has some awesome elevators. Better than Orlando's elevators, I'll say that. I'm only in this airport for like a specific reason, because issues happen, so that's why I'm here, but. Door close button works. Wow, all right, we'll end it on 3. Dude, that was awesome. I was not expecting to run into that. All right. That'll be it.